2 years, 11 months, and 3 days, I think.
I'm not sure.
Since our application.
Yeah, but here we are at HDB now, waiting for our key collection appointment. Like finally. After this, we'll be, buying all the ceremony stuff. Yeah, then after that we'll be heading down to our new flat.
The wait has been long.
Super long. We are home. So we're on our way to the flat right now, and yes, in about 10 minutes you should be able to see our house. Yeah, so we're now at the car park.
We just parked.
And we'll be heading up with all the necessary stuff for the door opening ceremony. Let's go!
Stuck by her side so happily. We needed each other like well, I just know what is happening. I'm up in the deal with Timothy. Distracting myself, need a remedy. At first I thought that she was sent to me. What's happening? We started out Freddie and Daphne. So good that it felt like a trap to me. The girl in my dream like a fantasy. But we've been caught out in reality. We reached the pinnacle of apathy. It must been a victim of gravity. Because it declined so rapidly. I thought you was just like a masterpiece. Cause you all I see in my gallery. I should have had a better strategy. Cause I was falling for you naturally. But you've been plotting on me actually. You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by your side so happily. We treated each other like drugs. Now I do not know what is happening. They tried to warn me it was bad for me.
You can do this.
I just brushed it off so casually. I put all my trust in the love. And I became another casualty. Coincidentally, you guarded my back and then you attacked. I never thought you was my enemy. It wasn't always like that. I
okay.
remember
Let me get some stopper.
music to my ears. I would wipe your face.
祝大吉大利，身体健康，招财进宝。Up to you. Then use two ah. Okay now. My cross film. Okay. 大吉大利，天天天天，幸福美满，身体健康，招财进宝，龙马精神，财源广进，哇！Oh my god!
So for our door opening ceremony, we followed this guide from Style Degree as it's the most condensed and informative one that we found. It indicates the things that you have to do and bring in nicely compiled lists. We have linked them in the description below if you're interested.
Now, we're gonna go down to get some drinks for the BSc workers. Yeah. We submitted our rectification checklist yesterday. Then they came out to take a look at the contractor, and they're like, okay, they can do the necessary defects
rectification.
Yeah, so we're just gonna get some drinks for them to thank them for their hard work. I mean, they're even working on their weekends, so yeah. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so BSc came and they are currently fixing some of the defects. Like this one, there was a broken, I think it's new. Yeah, it's new really. So initially it was damaged, but they replaced it already. Some of the walls are being patched up now. All these, some repatching right over here. And yeah, so this wall is apparently not say very straight, it's a bit slanted. And yeah, so I was telling them try to make it even. They patch up the hole there. Yeah, so because we are hacking away all of the partition, right? So our main focus will be on the solid walls, like the beam, this particular wall. Like for here, right, you see, when we came to like chip paint, certain scratches here or there. Like you can see here, scratches like this. It's actually a deep scratch. I guess another thing for owners to take note will be the ceiling. As we were checking the ceiling, right, there were lots of hairline crack. As you can see, this one over here is just one straight line across from wall end to wall end. Here also, it's another one. Yeah, then the biggest issue will be this cracked tile here at the corner. Yeah. Here, right here. Maybe for another one also, because we'll be overlaying the tile, so I think one thing one should check will be how flush it is, how even. As you can see here, there's this gap here, so it's not pressed down, it's not even. You can see that. You see, let's say I use the casing here, it's very smooth. Oh, here I'll get stuck here. Okay, so about a few hours later, we have demarcated the area where, for example, this one will be the shoe rack. It's a bit small, but we plan to place our shoe like that. Because in order for us to open this small lift, we need to bring it out. So just nice like the gap there, but which is okay for us because we're gonna do a full height, so it goes all the way up to the ceiling. Then over here we have our wardrobe. So over here in the walkway, the wardrobe is gonna be here, covering the window. So when you walk in, you turn right, and this is where our room will be, this area. Then this is where our full length wardrobe, about 3 meters long, will be at. Then the bed will be at the center, and after that we have the smart curtain tracks installed right at the top of the ceiling to make our house look taller and wider. Then over here we will hack this partition wall, hack this wall. So from there, this is a fixed wall. So from this fixed wall onwards, right, it's a clear path all the way. We'll hack this wall also, all the way into the master bedroom. So it will be this whole stretch from here, this wall, all the way until this wall will be our living room. So it's quite a huge space. So lucky there isn't any beam here, so it's hackable. Hence it will be a real full height all the way to the ceiling, all the way down to the fixed wall at the second bedroom. A study area. So it will be separated via a partition wall. They will be putting it up here at the center. Then we'll have our study table that we bought from Q10, the standing desk. So this will be the dedicated study area. Then opposite the wall will be the projector that we bought, the short throw one. Then we bought a TV console from Taobao, which is dedicated for this kind of short throw projector. Then after which it will be our coffee table / dining table. So we got it from Taobao too, and a 2.6 meter L-shaped sofa bed right here. This one will be hacked too. Initially we wanted to combine both toilets into one, but because of the BTO rules, we are unable to do it for the first 5 years. So we have separated. This will be the wet toilet, and that will be the dry toilet. So the wet toilet will include a bathtub and a shower. It's a bit dark, but the shower here, and a bathtub at the side there. So there isn't any basin or toilet bowl for this particular bathroom. For the common bathroom, which is the dry toilet, there are full stretch vanity end-to-end wall with storage mirror, and there will be a brand new toilet bowl, which is without the tap on top. Kitchen wise, we'll be hacking away the service yard to make more space, to ensure that we have sufficient light and space in a way. Another thing we'll be doing here is to build a so-called a tall unit, a wall. So a door will be here, a black frame door will be installed this side. Yeah. So over here we'll have the oven and microwave, a tall unit. Then we'll have our hood and hob, Then over here, this little space here will be for the dishwasher that we bought from Xiaomi. Then sink will be here, as we will be hacking away the service yard hall. We have like sufficient space for a sink, like, as you can see right here. Yeah. Then over here we'll box up this tube. Yep. Then this is where our fridge will be. This area is the fridge. Yep. Then we'll be removing this hanger right here because we don't really need it lah. Then over here will be our washing machine. So the idea is to do a mid-height washing machine. So basically it's like a stack. We bought a 2-in-1, but it's stacked up like a washer dryer lah, but at that height. Then our bottom will be a drawer or something for our laundry. Then over here we have another about 60 cm cabinet where we have an open shelf at the center, probably similar size to the washing machine, to put our water dispenser from Ruhan's and maybe our coffee machine or something lah. Yeah.